Welcome to the channel, everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a lovely plantain and ackee parcel. Both of them is normally used in Jamaica. Ackee is Jamaican national dish, but I will take you through the process. And if you're new here, just let you know you're welcome. Here I have a ripe plantain. This is firm, it's not overripe, and is perfect for what I'm going to do with it. What I'm doing here, I'll be removing the skin of this, and I will be slicing them as thin as possible. So when slicing them, you don't want them too thin, and you don't want it too thick either. And plantain is very healthy. You can use it to make pudding, cakes, ice cream, chutney, porridge, you name it. You can use it to make a lot of different things. And plantain is is from the banana family also. What I'm doing here now, I'm just putting on a pan and I'm adding some oil to it. And I'll be start frying my plantain. But when frying it, try not to let it go too dark, because you want it to have just a nice golden color on the outside. So this particular dish, what I'm cooking, I have some ackee already cooked up, and it's ackee and bacon instead of ackee and saltfish. All that is personal preference. So here I have a plate which I put down, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to start layered the plantain on the surface of the plate, and that is to create a base, and then I'll be use a square mold to put over this, to cut it and then to form my shape. So after getting them lined up, I'll be using a square stainless steel mold, which I'm using now, and then I'll cut the excess off the edge by using a spatula to remove the excess off the side. Once you get the sides cleaned up, I'll be filling the inside with some ackee, mixed cooked down with some bacon, some pepper, spring onion, a little bit of chili, or if you have cayenne pepper, or Scotch bonnet. Please use what you have. So what I'm doing now, I'm just layering the sides and make sure I get the plantain on the inside of it. So that will help to create the base to put the ackee inside it.